Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nokia X30 and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and since we are in the standard photo mode, we can open kind of more settings. So we have to tap on this icon right here, so we cannot unfortunately unroll it. So let's tap, and as you can see on the second position, the second panel is connected with the timer. So we've got three different options. We've got turned off option, which is currently applied. As you can see, it is highlighted in this bluish color. We've got 3 seconds or 10 seconds delay. So let me set 10 seconds delay, for example. Just tap on it, and as you can see, it will be immediately highlighted. So we can go back to the camera and tap on the shutter button. And from now on, your device will count down from 10 or 3, depending on which option you would like to use. And after that time, it will take a photo. That was so loud. Okay. Oh, no. All right. So that's how it works. And basically, it will work the same with 3 seconds delay, right? But after the 3 seconds, the device will take a photo, not 10. Of course, you can turn it off just by tapping on off. And from now on, your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So basically that's all. This is how to set camera timer in your Nokia X30. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.